Hello everyone and welcome to our daily analysis video of Midnight Market Diaries. So let's start with our analysis and as today was the holiday in Indian markets, so there is nothing more to add to Indian markets. So I think we will open gap up because of the global markets, and then we may look for some shorting opportunities over here somewhere near the closing prices because we decided this because here the weak sellers are still pending and they need to be taken out. So maybe we will see some more upward movement, but then we can plan for some short trades over there and just mark this gap area where you can plan for some fresh shorts. Somewhere near this region, we can plan for some fresh shorts. I know that it will be around 200 points more, but we will gap up around here only, I think. Gap up was telling around 6 or 500 points now. So yeah, we will gap up somewhere around here. So after that, I think there would be some shorting opportunity over here. Or otherwise, if we get a strong close above these areas, then just forget about shorting and don't just try to go against the market. Wherever it's going, let it go. Uh, what we have to see is where the weekly close of this bar will go. So it should be downward somewhere here, not too much above or not too much down. It should be somewhere near here, the weekly close. Then we can say then that a temporary type of bottom is formed and we can then target upside. But if we close in a green bar, like up bar above the close of previous week, then I will feel a little bit shady and we can go further down. So that's how you can analyze in markets. Now let us move to US markets. So mm, okay, in US markets, just mark this range that I've made it here. So I think that around this we can have some nice shorting opportunity as we are also having this signal from my indicator that I have made, and I will refine my indicator to 3.0 level. It will be the final refinement, I think. 2.0 is already very much refined, so I think I don't need to analyze much more. So I will just rely on these signals. Like for here also, I got some nice signal back to back short cover or long signals I got here, and then here we got some higher high, and then after break of it, we can have some long trade. But let's not talk about it. For shorting S&P 500, we can wait for it to come to these levels. Here we can plan for some fresh shorts. And let's see Nasdaq. Similarly for Nasdaq, I have marked these levels. And for oh sorry, it was Dow Jones, and here for Nasdaq also we have this same kind of levels because both in all the charts at 30 minutes it's showing weakness. So I think it's going to play out nicely. So let us see, and I think that this whole region will be cleared if this time it comes back down. Now let us look at Brent crude. Okay, here we got the weak sellers. That's why we are going up. I don't know till where we will go up. Till now, no signal, but I think, yeah, okay. It came back to this area of this wick, and in this wick region only we will get some shorting opportunity. Not before, not after. After this, I can think that we can clear it a little bit, but then also we can have some shorting opportunity over here because here I couldn't see any um, nice upward kind of thing. By the way, in the downside, I think it hit our target that we marked on these levels. Okay, yeah, that's why it's taking support over here. Okay, hmm, maybe crude can inch up a little bit from these levels if we get a nice closing tomorrow. Everything depends on the weekly close. I think we should wait for tomorrow to close this bar. And now let us look at dollar futures. Okay, it's 100.4 already. Uh, Here we had our shorting signal, and I think if you have seen our video earlier, then you must be having nice idea about it, what I said. Okay. Mm, it was being taken up by buyers, and then okay. So we are very close to our ultimate targets of 99.825. Uh, and Now let us look at uh, what's copper doing. Why it is just over there only. Uh, Nothing more in copper, I think. Yeah, gold futures. Okay, as you can see, we are again back up, and there was no weakness in gold, and we are again at all-time highs. So that's what happens when you take care of things. And actually, if you are analyzing fundamentally, then you should have a complete grip over fundamentals too, because rest of the commodities were falling, but gold was falling just by seeing them. Not there was some intrinsic weakness was not present in gold, because others were industrial metals, and if recession comes, they will be hit harder. But gold is a safe value for store of money, so it's having a different kind of purpose in it. That's why we are back again, and it will be fatal to short gold actually. Okay, we came to 2980 levels, and okay, done, done, done. I think if you have seen our videos, then we gave somewhere around there 2980 levels, and somewhere there only we got up. Uh, okay, that's it for gold. Now let us look at crypto. Uh, this bar is also like half eaten. If we close over here only, then it's completely bearish sign. Uh, at 4 hour charts. Uh, nope, at hourly. So over this range, we got a fake out, and then we are back in. So I think this range worked nicely, but I'm still not that much happy because it first gave a very strong breakout, which is actually a fake one, because uh, if price is coming from so long away, the buyers here would have already tried to book profits in this range. So such kind of moments don't sustain a lot, as it has taken. If price would have consolidated over here and then it would have breakout, then it would have been more reliable, but not this one. Now let us look at Ethereum. Okay, it has cleared more than half of this green bar, so more weakness in Ethereum. And okay, it even didn't closed above this range, so it was inherently much more weaker than this. I think this will be cleared of itself too, and then in this coming hour, it will clear this one. Uh, and if we look at ADA, Cardano, on this weekend, I will also look at some other coins for our analysis too. Maybe we can have some nice setup for weekly. Nothing to say about ADA. It's also in this range, and I think the next hourly bar we will clear these levels in the downside. So that's it for crypto too. And thanks for watching, guys. And do follow us on our channels like Twitter and LinkedIn. There also I am very much active. And that's it for today, guys. If you are trading US or crypto markets, all the best. And if you will trade Indian markets, just be careful about the IV, because implied volatility is too much high and premiums are too expensive. So I would say that leave this week today, and leave this week too, and we can plan for fresh trades from next week. And I think next week also we have just 3 trading sessions. So yeah, let us see what happens. So all the best, and thank you guys for watching.